Problem number 6-9. An orthogonal set of vectors having a span that contains PQR is, we have to fill option here, where P equals -10, -1, 3, Q equals -2, -5, 9, and R equals 2, -7, and 12 are the three vectors. We have 4 options. Option A, -6, -3, 6, 4, -2, 3. Option B, -4, 2, 4, 5, 7, -11, 6, 2, -3. Option C, 6, 7, -1, 3, 2, -2, 3, 9, -4. Option D, 4, 3, 11, 1, 31, 3, 5, 3, and 4. We have to understand what problem is asking. We have to understand what problem is asking. It is asking a orthogonal set. So orthogonal set means we have two vectors, dot product between two vectors, when they are equal to 0, we say the set is orthogonal. The set is orthogonal set. And what vectors they contain, we need not to go into that. In this problem, he told that set B is a basis containing three vectors, and vectors we have P, Q, and R. P, Q, and R the vectors. Then basis will become P, Q, and R. This will become our basis, where all P, Q, and R are three-dimensional vectors, as it contains three elements in each vector. And this P, Q, R are three independent vectors in a three-dimensional space. In that three-dimensional space, set R, let us suppose our three vector as P, Q, and R. Then this three-dimensional space, we have a vector which is orthogonal. This vector we have to find. So this is orthogonal set. So this is required. Suppose P and Q and R forms one that three-dimensional space in that three-dimensional space which of the following are orthogonal? Which of the following are orthogonal? Like we already know, this is our vectors P, Q, R, and this is orthogonal vector which we are going to find. So finally, orthogonal set means perpendicular vectors. So from options we have to solve the problem. What are perpendicular vectors from given options? Which two vectors have dot product as 0? That will become our orthogonal set. So let us take option A. Two column or two row vectors cannot gives us unique value. So we take transpose to get unique value. -6, -3 and 6 dot 4, -2 and 3 we will multiply and get as -24 plus 6 plus 18, which will be equal to 0. So finally dot product is 0. So luckily option A is correct. Now we don't have to check option B and further.